Hey gang, so you've mastered the knit stitch, now let's learn her little sister, the purl stitch. You can think of the purl stitch as the reverse of a knit stitch. It's the same 4 steps, we're just coming at it from the other side. If you haven't learnt the knit stitch yet, we suggest you look at that one first. The first big difference is that we're going to be working at the front of our work instead of at the back like we would have for a knit stitch. So you're going to bring your working yarn to the front of your work, and we're going to kick off with step 1, stab it. You'll insert your needle from the right-hand side of this first stitch, and you can see that your right-hand needle is in front of your left. Then we'll strangle it. So we'll wrap the working yarn counterclockwise around your right needle. Then we'll scoop the guts out. Use your right needle to scoop that new loop down and away from you, and lastly we'll throw it off a cliff. We'll slip that remaining loop off the left needle. So let's go through those steps again. You'll stab it, you'll insert your right needle into the first stitch on your left needle, creating a cross at the front of your work. Then you'll strangle it, you'll wrap your working yarn counterclockwise around your front needle. Then you'll scoop the guts out, so you're scooping your needle down and away from you to catch that new loop of yarn. And then you'll throw it off a cliff. You'll slide what's left of that stitch off your left needle, and what's on your right needle now is that purled stitch. Keep purling until you've purled all of the stitches in your row. After learning a knit stitch, learning how to purl stitch can feel a little bit like a brain bender, but we promise you will get the hang of it. So just to recap, when you're doing a knit stitch, your yarn is at the back of your work, and when you're doing a purl stitch, your yarn is at the front of your work. Same 4 steps: stab it, strangle it, scoop the guts out, and throw it off a cliff, just done in slightly different ways. Just like we did for the knit stitch, when you reach the end of the row, you want to count your stitches to make sure you haven't added or accidentally dropped any stitches along the way. Remember, adding or dropping stitches is a really common thing for new knitters, so it's better to get ahead of it and catch it as early as you can. Then you'll turn your work. So you'll put the needle with the stitches on it in your left hand, make sure that the points of your needles are facing inwards, and then we're going to purl those same stitches from our left needle onto our right. When you're working into this second row, make sure that you're inserting your right needle into just the loop that's on your left-hand needle and not the loop below it. Inserting your needle into the loop below means you're actually working the row below, and it will create a few problems. Awesome work, gang. That's the purl stitch mastered. Now you know a knit stitch and a purl stitch, you can put these two together in so many different combinations. When you're ready, let's jump into some new videos and look at how you can combine these two stitches to create stockinette stitch, rib stitch, and seed stitch.